All right, let's get now to chilling new developments connected to the death of Detroit police officer Loren Courts.
Today, the man accused of making the straw purchase of the gun used to kill Courts appeared before a judge, and federal prosecutors made some damaging new claims. Sean Lay is live for us tonight. Sean, he's been locked up since his arrest. So what did the judge decide on bond today?
This was a bond hearing in Kimberly and Devon. Plenty of new bombshells. We just got out of court. Here's what we're talking about. Sheldon Thomas. The prosecutors just played audio of Thomas telling the ATF that he knew the teen who shot Officer Courts was a danger. Prosecutors say Thomas tried to buy that teen a gun last year, and moments ago a judge denied Thomas's request to get out on bond. Sheldon Thomas is accused of buying the Graco firearm that police say Imani Davis used to shoot and kill Detroit police officer Loren Courts. This afternoon, only Local 4 is in federal court to hear federal prosecutors lay out a devastating case that Sheldon Thomas is an alleged serial straw purchaser of firearms, allegedly flooding the streets with guns to put into the hands of others. Prosecutors say text messages show Thomas was working with that teen, Imani Davis, for more than a year on buying firearms. Text exchanges dating back a year, with Davis telling Thomas that he was robbed of a gun and was having problems with someone and urgently needed a gun. Thomas telling the teen, quote, "I can always go get a gun." Prosecutors say it was illegal for Davis as a teen to buy a handgun, so he ordered a 9mm Glock from Thomas with hollow point bullets. Thomas telling Davis to have the cash ready at an East Point gun shop or, quote, "it will make us look suspicious." Imani Davis texting back, "Trust me, we will play it smooth." Sheldon Thomas, "Play it cool." May of this year, Davis is arrested in East Point on disorderly conduct charges. The moment he's released from jail, he tells Thomas that he wants him to buy him a cheaper gun than the 9mm, the Graco firearm eventually used in the Officer Courts shooting. Prosecutors say Thomas lied on the federal paperwork, saying the gun was for him. All right, back here live. Now, there's more to this story from court today. Thomas, his defense attorney argued that there was no way that his client, Thomas, could have known what would have happened with that gun and the tragedy with Officer Courts once he gave that gun over to Davis. In the meantime, the judge disagreed with that after prosecutors even presented evidence that Thomas worked with his girlfriend who allegedly sent her into gun shops to buy guns to give to other people. We're live outside federal court. Sean Lay, Local 4, back to you.
Okay, Sean, thank you.